Good day, Sir Marvin. I'm Lander James Gabriel from WST1A. The title of my speech is Power in Voice and its persuasive style and its manuscript. Power in Voice. Good day, everyone. Today, not just remember history, but to feel it. June 12, 1898, our country declared independence, but the moment it wasn't just a break from colonializer. It was a breakthrough of identity, a heartbeat of a voice heard. Our heroes Rizal, Bonifacio, Aguinaldo weren't perfect. They weren't celebrities. They weren't young, scared, tired, but they stood up anyway because freedom it was worth every risk. And now, more than a century later, what does freedom means for us? We don't carry swords, we carry smartphones, our battlefields, social media, classroom, communities, corruption, poverty, fake news. These are modern invaders, but we have something powerful, our voice. Every post that educates, every vote that counts, every stand against hate, against lies, against apathy. That's our fight. Freedom isn't always loud. Sometimes it's helping a neighbor, supporting local, choosing kindness over cancel culture. It's not about being a hero like in a textbook. It's about being human with heart. So today, don't just wave a flag. Be the flag. Don't just remember our heroes. Continue their missions. Speak truth, even when your voice shakes. Create change, even in small ways. Be brave, not because you're not feared, but because you are and you show up anyway. We are the voice of freedom, and this voice echoes beyond June 12. And always remember, Dr. Jose Rizal said, ang kabataan, ang pag-asa ng bayan. Kaya mabuhay ang kabataan, mabuhay ang kalayaan, mabuhay tayong lahat. And thank you.